I see this question at least once a week in the Facebook groups that I hang in. And if you're a coach or healer looking to grow an online business, you've likely seen someone ask this or you've asked it yourself. The big question is, what software do I really need to run my online business? Because it sure can start to add up. And of course, it's going to depend on what it looks like for you to run an online business. Like, what are you selling? What are you doing? So in these groups where a question like this is posed, inevitably the comments thread just like blows up with recommendations and questions to think about and affiliate links, and it's immediately overwhelming. At the end of the day, you likely want something that is simple, cost effective, and going to look professional, even if you are DIYing some of the design and tech support for your business at this phase. If you have ever felt like you're in a constant battle with tech overwhelm or afraid of getting trapped in a complicated system that might leave you calling for help every time you need something done, then this video is for you. Hang with me because I'm going to share how I streamlined my online business with a software called System.io, making everything more manageable and giving me the starting point that I needed with the ability to expand and grow without breaking the bank. And make sure to subscribe for more support to elevate your business as a coach or healer, earn a living doing what you love, and even simplify the tech and systems along the way. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding as to whether System.io could be a worthwhile platform to explore for your online business, and have specific examples of the types of offers and steps I have taken to leverage the features that System.io offers. And let's be honest, if you're just here for getting the discount code, my personal link to try System.io for free and get a discount on an annual upgrade should you need it down the road is in the video notes below. There'll be a little note that says snag your free System.io account so you can run your entire online business all in one spot. Click that link. There you go. Now, welcome. I'm Chelsea Fournier, a former lawyer turned business strategist and intuitive guide for coaches, healers, and creative service providers. With over a decade of experience, I help individuals just like you scale their businesses, blending strategy with the energetics of your unique gifts, and even tackling the tech you need along the way. I empower sensitive business owners to create a sustainable living by aligning their purpose with practical business strategies and even software recommendations, ensuring they thrive financially and spiritually in their calling. As someone who's been navigating the online business world since 2011, I've been where you are, struggling with tech, trying to figure out every platform under the sun. I have been at the back end of WordPress with Elementor, to Teachable, to Entreport, to ClickFunnels, to Kartra, and so many other systems and pieces along the way. I wasn't necessarily expecting each setup to be perfect, right? But I need certain things in place that I can trust. And not just for me, but for my clients and students too. I've always prioritized creating a smooth, stress-free user experience where my clients, who are amazing coaches and healers like you, can easily access the transformative work that we do together. So in the spring of 2023, I hit a wall with my then current setup. I didn't want to start paying at a higher tier just because I wanted to create a new course on top of the ones I already had in my account, but I didn't want these like weird workarounds either. So it was time for a change. I needed something that wasn't just good for me as a DIY entrepreneur and my small team, but also provided an exceptional experience for my clients without any surprises. And that's when I stumbled upon System.io. It promised a software where my business would be able to host everything from my website, launching my courses, managing an affiliate program, and handling all of my email marketing in one place. And guess what? It absolutely has delivered. I want you to let me know in the comments if you're watching this video, you're likely comparing a few products or not sure where to start. So comment not sure if you just don't even know where to start, or let me know what other softwares you're currently using or looking at to run your coaching or healing business, because maybe I can chime in and offer some comparisons in future videos. So making the switch to System.io was a game changer. I could finally have my website, my blog, my membership, my digital products, my courses, multiple funnels, all in one spot. It was a breath of fresh air, let me tell you. Okay, so no more tech overwhelm. And for us, coaches and healers who want to spend more time in our zone of genius and less time fussing with software, System.io was a dream come true. So let me tell you, setting up a basic website that beautifully showcases how you can work with me alongside a seamless course portal for my members and students was a breeze, and that was kind of like first phase. And then I wanted a lead magnet funnel because it's instrumental in nurturing my community, allowing me to connect deeply and strategically without getting lost in a big tech maze of all the email marketing. I know many of you worry about being stuck in a system that is so complex that you can't even update a page without help. And that's why I'm sharing this with you. System.io gave me and can give you the autonomy to make those edits and updates yourself. It's empowering to have control over our online presence, right? So if there's a specific part of my websites, funnels, email marketing, or course experience that you want a behind the scenes on in a future video, let me know in the comments below. And like I said, my affiliate discount link to try System.io for free is below in the notes. If you are weighing out whether you want to set this all up yourself or what would be the best bang for your buck, to maybe have an agency like the Intuitive Marketing Collective that I own and run set up for you so that it's done and ready to drive traffic to, I've got something special for you. We just launched a short quiz to help you unlock the most aligned business breakthrough step that you can be taking. It's time to discover which funnel strategy fits perfectly with your current needs and future aspirations. I want you to know that coaches and healers, I see you. You're doing incredible work, and the last thing you need is for tech to stand in your way. System.io didn't just simplify my business, it can simplify yours too, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, which is your clients and the impact you make. If this video was helpful and you're excited to keep learning about how you can uplevel your tech and systems as a coach or healer to earn a living doing what you love, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with fellow healers. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about upcoming videos designed to help you grow your healing business.